How to sign in to Dream League Soccer 2026 game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to get into your Dream League Soccer 2026 account but feeling a bit confused, here is how you can sign in super easy and simple. First things first, launch open Dream League Soccer 2026 game on your device and wait for the main screen to load completely. Once you get to this page, which looks like this over here, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top left corner. Now, from the menu that appears on the bottom, select Advanced. Inside Advanced, you'll see the Sign in with Google option at the top over there. Simply tap on the disconnected button right next to it and click on Yes. Follow through the on-screen instructions. Select your Google account or enter your Google account's email and log into your Google account. After you are signed in, agree and continue, and you'll be able to sign in to Dream League Soccer with your Google account. Once you do that, the game may take a few seconds to sync your progress. Don't close the app during this time. You may also see different options such as Google Play Games option, Apple ID, Facebook options, depending upon your device's type. So after you do that, you'll be able to sign in and your progress will be saved across devices. So that's how you sign in to Dream League Soccer 2026. Now it's time to build your dream team and hit the pitch like a champion. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.